Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Capcut and creating a new project. Import the video and immediately duplicate that clip so you always have an untouched backup. Tap the clip you'll edit and scrub to the frame where the unwanted object appears. Once you've located the moment, split if needed and select the segment. This gives you precise control. Make sure the clip is highlighted and ready before moving to Tools so you don't erase the wrong portion. Now you'll apply the Magic Eraser tool. Tap Tools or Effects and pick Magic Eraser, then brush over the object. Change brush size for edges and lower hardness for blended removal. Once applied, scrub the timeline to check adjacent frames, use frame-by-frame adjustments and redo small areas to avoid artifacts. If background is complex, remove in small passes and use the clone or patch tools for touch-ups. Keep previewing at normal speed so you can assess motion and transitions. Finish by rendering a short test export to inspect for ghosting and edge mismatches. You want to catch issues before full export. If you see artifacts, undo the last pass, refine the mask, or reduce the erased area and blend with clone/patch tools. Make sure to check motion blur and reframe if object removal altered composition. One quick troubleshooting tip: if automatic erase creates halos, use smaller strokes and repair edges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.